So here in our truss roof, if I take away all the other trusses, we have one dedicated girder truss here. We also have a couple of truncated girder trusses, which I'll show in another video. But this truss here carries these 4 trusses in particular. And then there's also some of the hip end that it's going to pick up because it's carrying this truncated girder as well. So as you can see, the girder truss is carrying the load of other trusses in the roof. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.